Hey, hi. Well, I've come to tell you that the beautiful thing about life is whenever you wake up, it's your own morning. When you decide to start, keep focused, keep moving. Just neglect what distractions, and you'll get there. I am Somi, the volunteer internet coach. I know there's so many of you. When you saw the caption or the title of this video, you actually thought I was coming to say silly things about my life. Nowhere. I'm not here to say that here. However, I have come to tell you something that is very, very important and that will be useful to your life today. Now listen. I knew about internet when I was younger, but I made a terrible mistake by not, taking the advantage of it, leveraging on it then. Are you a student? Are you looking for a job? Are you looking for something to get busy? Do you want to make your potential become better? See. God has created us with a lot of potential. God created each and every one with an inbuilt potential. But the thing is, you need information that can trigger those potentials to come out. Internet. God gave people the wisdom to create the internet. Do you know that this internet has almost everything you need to become better? So many companies have leveraged on the internet to enrich their pocket, to enrich the company. That's why we have social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, name them. Now they're using it to make money from both of us. Why don't you sit down and think about your life? How can I use these platforms? Strategize to make money for yourself and to better yourself. Now, what is your potential? Your potential is your passion. What then is your passion? Your passion is what you love doing. Now, what you like doing? What you like doing is your talent. God has created you with lots of talent, with a unique talent that can make you become better. That's why he said in the scripture, go and do exploits with your what? Talent. And now, let me give you tips on how you can leverage this internet. Some people say, I'm shy. How do I do this? How do I do that? Internet is not for me. It's not for you. It's for people that can talk. Lies. If you want to start, just create a content. I am a shy person. How can I come out of my shell? How can I know how to present myself in the public? You see, a lot of comments will start coming. People will start guiding you. Free of charge. How you can come out of your shell. Are you somebody that said, internet is for people that love their pictures to be shown on the media? I don't like my pictures, I don't like my video, but how do I go about it? You're a joker. You're still joking. What you need to do, you can create a wonderful content, interesting, intriguing content that can attract some companies, may help them sell their products. And as you're creating it for them, they are paying you. They are giving you commission. Or you can create a wonderful content without even your picture, without even a video. Then post it, publish it. You don't know who your content is enriching. Thereby you are advertising your potential, your talents. And also in watching movies. Watching comedians, reading stories with the internet is not good. Oh, they are amazing. You are building knowledge, yeah. But you can start re-strategizing by asking yourself, how do I do all these things for my own potential, for my own talent, to sell your talent? Look, you cannot die with your talent. You have to start thinking of how to bring it up. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos how the internet has helped me to become an IT expert, helped me to achieve a wonderful master degree with a wonderful grade, helped me to learn a lot of things has made me to be skillful, helped me to land my wonderful job, helped me to land my career job where I want to be. So if you know who needs this video, help me. Help them. Share it to them. Don't be stingy. Share it. Because I'm going to be saying a lot of things in my videos. And I know my aim is for you not to die with your talent, not to die with your potential, to better your potential, to come up with your potential and do something for yourself. Cannot keep depending on people, because people will fail you. Remember, a stitch in time saves 9. You have not lost anything. Anytime you wake up is your own morning, like I said earlier. Enjoy. Just share the video. Stay cool.